Hey everyone, welcome to Lesson 1 of our series on Understanding ICT Materials. In today's session, we're diving deep into the world of material and component specifications. Whether you're just starting out or looking to deepen your knowledge in ICT, this lesson is packed with insights to help you make informed decisions. What to expect? Master key concepts. We'll break down how to describe and evaluate materials and components based on their unique specifications. Explore critical factors. Discover the importance of factors like cost, environmental impact, chemical and physical properties, mechanical attributes, and the reputation of manufacturing companies. Practical learning. We'll share practical examples and scenarios that show how these specifications impact real-world material selection and testing. Engage and learn together. Join us in exploring this foundational topic together. Your questions and insights are always welcome. Join our community in Lesson 1 as we unlock the essentials of ICT materials and components. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest lessons and discussions. Lesson 1. Specification of materials and components. Expectation. Discuss the specification of materials and components. Determine the factors when selecting the materials. Give examples of common materials used for ICT. Introduction. ICT materials, components, and assemblies have its specifications before it will be purchased. As a learner, you are expected to be familiar with the properties of these materials, products, and the factors to be considered should be your basis in choosing the proper materials, components, and assemblies. The factors in selecting the materials. 1. Selection of material. It is the ability to choose the materials using the following considerations. A cost of the material is the amount of purchasing the materials. It may differ from one supplier to another even if the specifications are the same. A environmental consideration. Anything that leads to the pollution of soil, water, and air, especially its energy consumption impact. At the end of ICT hardware use, recycling, disposal like e-waste, this would be used in landfills and would provide impact and effect to the environment. Chemical properties is a material properties evident during the time of its use will show chemical reaction. Physical properties, the identifiable and unique aspect of a material, most particularly its basic capabilities. Mechanical attributes are the physical properties that any material exhibits when applied with forces, such as elasticity, tensile strength, elongation, hardness, and fatigue limit. A company producing the material, the business name provides identity to the business and the product it produces, especially when the enterprise produces unique and amazing products. 2. Testing of material. This will help analyze the quality and standards of materials using the following techniques. A hardness tester, any device that checks the hardness of a material by measuring the durability of such material. A comprehensive strength test. It is more of mechanical test that measures the maximum amount of compressive load a material can bear before such material breaks. An impact test is used to observe the mechanics how the material exhibit when it experiences shock and such material immediately deform. A fluoroscope is an imaging machine which uses X-rays to determine the interior characteristics of an object. A testing machine, a universal tester for materials for testing tensile strength and compressive strength of materials. A creep test is subjecting the material to high-temperature progressive deformation at constant stress test or ability to alter its form after such test has been taken. 3. Cost of material, the amount when buying or selecting the materials for specific project. Though this is economical in the selection process, the amount must consider also the quality and reliability of materials. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video on Lesson 1, Specification of Materials and Components helpful. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos. Your support means a lot to me.